Welcome to KrispCall. In this video, we'll guide you through buying a virtual number for Finland using KrispCall. Follow these steps to get started. With your Finland number, you can seamlessly connect with locals, mobile users, and even access toll-free services. Activate your Finland number through KrispCall. Go to krispcall.com and either log in or create an account. Access My Number by clicking the plus icon or navigating to Settings. Click Purchase New Number. Select Finland from the drop-down menu. Customize your preferred number type and proceed to Buy Number. Name your chosen number and add it to your cart. Please note that there's no special documentation required for Finland local, mobile, and toll-free numbers. However, you need to submit the information like your name and address to KrispCall's customer department. Confirm your purchase by clicking Confirm Purchase. Once your Finnish phone number is activated, you can initiate calls and send SMS messages according to the number types. Get 100+ international virtual phone numbers from KrispCall and connect with your global audiences remotely from a single app. With KrispCall, you can get advanced features like Unified Callbox, global calling, text messages, voicemail, multi-level IVR, call analytics. Contact our chat support for more information.